Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a captivating text to video content using the Pictory or Pictory.ai in 2023. Pictory.ai is an innovative AI-powered platform that allow you to transform your text-based content into engaging and visually appealing videos, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or social media audience. Pictory AI can elevate your storytelling. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by signing up and accessing the Pictory.ai. So let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. For my case, of course, I'm going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type pictory.ai or pictory.ai and hit the enter button. That should take you right away to the home screen or main screen of pictory.ai. If you don't know much about this tool, of course, you can scroll down, read more information about it. You will find even like some reviews about it and maybe even the frequently asked question in the page. You'll be find it here. So depending on whatever you want. And of course, you'll have now to sign up and access the Pictory AI. So if you have an account, of course, you can even log in into it, as you can see by clicking on login here and simply entering your credentials. You can even log in with your Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating your account. If you don't have an account, you can click on this free trial or get started for free. No credit card required to create your account. And as you can see, you can even create your account with Google, which will prevent you from doing all the boring steps, as you can see, of creating your account. So now let me just go as an example and create an account. And as you can see, so from here, I'm just going to continue with Google. And of course, once I do so, I will have to go and answer some questions. So what is your main video goal? So monetize views on my YouTube channel and other sites, or create marketing videos for my business, make and sell videos for other as an agency, or create training and educational videos for my business or personal use or others. For me, I'm just going to do personal use. Click on next. Please tell us more about your organization. Solo for me, of course, for you, you can go and answer if you're 2 to 10 employees, 11 to 100, 101 to 1000, 1000 or more than 1000 employees, depending on whatever you are. Then for me, I'm just going to click on next. And here you can see how would you describe yourself professionally. So are you a content creator, teacher, instructor, or coach, marketer, sales professional, or others? From I'm just going to others. Of course, if you click on others, you'll have to go and put an input here, or what is the other thing that you have. So and you can put a test or whatever it is. Of course, for me, I'm just going to put a content creator here. Click on submit. And once I do so, as you can see, I'll find myself here and this pop-out will come to me, welcome. So Pictory lets you create videos from text and script and also lets you edit, repurpose your own videos. So what do you have in mind? Of course, you can start with whatever you want. So you want to start with script to video, edit a video, add subtitles to a video, auto captioning, summarize a video using AI, or create a video collage. For us, what we want, of course, is do a text to video or script to video. So of course you can do that, or I'm just going to click on X. So let's just explore first this Pictory. So as you can see from here, you'll be able to do like script to video, from here article to video, edit video using text, and visual to video. So as you can see, recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, step-by-step guide, and here blogs, press releases, and any HTML article. Add subtitles automatically, cuts portion of videos, creates video highlights, add logo, intro, and outro. And of course, here, as an example, create a slide, show how using existing image and short video clips. For me, I'm just going to start like an example with the start typing or copy paste your script and click on proceed. So as you can see, start typing or paste here, you using the Control V or and of course you can even, as example, type the script by your own. So as you can see, enter your video name. I'm just going to say, an example, this video. So how to do text to video in Pictory.ai. Let's just type AI like that. And here, let's just type as an example the instruction. So hello everyone and welcome back. And of course, I'm just going to Today I am going to show you how to create a video using scripts or text in Pictory Pictory.ai. So here let's just do this, and I made a mistake here, and that's it. Let's just pretend that this is our script. So what we'll have to do, of course, we can even go and highlight some sentences in our script to, as you can see, to help AI find better visuals. Then once you're done, of course, you can simply go and click on proceed. So of course, you can even change some scene settings if you want to. So as you can see, auto highlights keyword, auto visual selections, and create some new scenes if you want to. So you have the options of line break, sentence break. Of course, you can line break by the enter and sentence break by the points. So as an example, hello everyone, I'm just going to put a point here. And today, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you, yeah, that's going to be it. So click on proceed. And as you can see here, you'll have to go and choose a template for your video. So here's an example. You can even choose one of your templates if you want to upload some. So for me, I'm just going to choose a template here. I'm just going with the sender. Why not? And I'm going with this one, 101 or 12.1. And from here, of course, we will have to wait a bit. So it should not take a lot of time. As you can see, it's going right away because I put like a small script. And as you can see, creating a script, almost done, or scenes almost done. And as you can see, here we are. So we have the intro scene, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and the outro scene. So as you can see, watermarks, don't worry, this story block watermarks you are seeing are only present in preview mode. They won't be included in your final video if you click on download. So don't worry about that. So as you can see here, we are going to find the video. So simply you can click here and preview it, and we'll be able to even listen to the music and everything. Maybe you are not, or you don't listen at the moment what's on the video. So as you can see, this is the scene 1. Here, as you can see, welcome back today. I'm going to show you how to create a video using script or text and Pictory, sorry. And of course, here, as you can see, the third scene, as you can see, it's just gonna be this, and you'll find the outro scene, and here you are. So you can preview, of course, everything from here if you want to. You'll be able to preview the whole video. And once you preview it and you like it, you can simply go here and click on download, and you'll be able to download the video. Or you can even download spreadsheets of social video posts or social video posts for Hootsuite. You can even go and do some of editing if you want to, and you will be done and good to go. So if you reached this moment of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to create a compiling text to video content using Pictory AI. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.